Welcome to 1054 Silverthorne Drive in Loganville, Georgia. I'm so excited to show you this home. This beautiful, meticulously maintained Cape Cod home is located in the Walnut Grove High School cluster. This home features a 2-story foyer, formal dining room with extensive trim, large family room with soaring ceilings and fireplace. This home features a beautiful master suite. But one thing that sets it truly unique is that it also features a guest suite or in-law suite on the other side of the home, truly setting it apart. There is a guest suite or in-law suite also on the main level with a full bath. This kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a tile backsplash, custom oak breakfast bar, and pantry. The owners have done a ton of upgrades in this home, and this is one of my favorites. It's a custom oak bar that you can see is used as a breakfast bar, which is great for entertaining an extension of the kitchen area. This is another really cool upgrade the owners have made. There was nothing here in the beginning, it was just a plain wall, so they actually increased the storage and utilizing this custom pantry. Upstairs, there are 3 additional bedrooms and a full bath up with loft area. The owners have added newly painted garage floors. There's a full daylight, unfinished basement, which is stubbed for bath and ready to finish out. The private wooded backyard is pool ready. One of the favorite parts of this home has to be this outdoor area. It is fully screened in and has a grilling deck, perfect for entertaining and all-weather enjoyment. Thank you so much for visiting us here at 1054 Silverthorne Drive in Loganville, Georgia. For more information on this home and many others, visit soldbytheprincegroup.com.